5.4. Meiosis. Meiosis, recall, nuclear division that is going to reduce the chromosome number to produce gametes. So rather than producing diploid cells, meiosis results in haploid cells, the sperm and the egg. Here's our overview slide. So beginning up at the top with a diploid cell, 2n equals 4. Again, we have a short pair of chromosomes and a long pair of chromosomes. Those have to be replicated. And so moving down in the diagram, we can see the sister chromatids. Now in meiosis, we're going to go through 2 divisions. So we have a single replication, and then that is followed by 2 divisions. The first one is called meiosis 1. The second one is called meiosis 2. And so the end products are 4 haploid cells. So N is the abbreviation for haploid. Down at the bottom, N equals 2, and we have 1 long chromosome and 1 short chromosome. So we have reduced the chromosome number. Now this shows us a little bit more specifically how this occurs. This would be the first division, meiosis 1. Both divisions of meiosis go through the same stages that we saw in mitosis. So we have prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase 1. So the events of prophase are very similar to what we saw in mitosis. Now one different thing that occurs here in meiosis, the homologous chromosomes find one another and they become intertwined. This is called synapses. So the long chromosomes, the short chromosomes, both of those pair, they come together, they intertwine, and while they are intertwined, they can actually exchange portions of DNA. So if you look down at metaphase, you can see where these homologous chromosomes have exchanged little tips, little bits of DNA. This is very important in increasing diversity and genetic variation within a population. Also, how this differs, during metaphase, those homologous pairs are lined up side by side. During metaphase of mitosis, those sister chromatids were lined up single file. However, in meiosis, the homologous pairs line up side by side. During anaphase 1, it is the homologous pair that is separated. And then we go through telophase, and we end up with 2 daughter cells down at the bottom. Each of these has 1 long chromosome and 1 short chromosome. However, if you look closely, each of these still consist of 2 sister chromatids that are attached. So now each of these cells is going to go through prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase a second time, and during the second division, the sister chromatids are separated. Right. So each of those cells that resulted from meiosis 1 goes through the same steps, prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2. Now you see in anaphase 2, those sister chromatids are separated. And then we complete telophase, and then at the bottom we have a total of 4 daughter cells, and each of these is haploid with 1 single short chromosome, 1 single long chromosome. So this compares meiosis and mitosis. In mitosis, we have 2 daughter cells. Each of those daughter cells is diploid, identical to the original parent cell. In meiosis, we go through 2 successive divisions. Okay. Meiosis 1 followed by meiosis 2, and the end product is 4 daughter cells, and these daughter cells are haploid.